Ako right now, guys, is the all-new Honor X8C. This one succeeds of course X8B, and makita natin ang kanyang design is almost the same, pero I think iba na yung kanyang feel dito sa kanyang likod. So tara, samahan niyo ako, unbox na natin. So ganito ang itsura ng kanyang box, Honor X8C. Yan. Okay. So we have here is a 8 gigs of RAM and a 512 gigs of storage. And ang color na napili ko is a midnight black color. So, unbox na natin. Let's see what's the things inside. We have your standard charging brick. No? Tingnan na natin kung ilan ang kanyang watts. So, tingnan ko muna mabuti. Now, hindi na directly sinabi siya ko ilang watts, no? Pero 11 volts, 3.2 amperes, it's a 35 watts na charging brick. So, pinamat pa tayo ni Honor, no? So, we have also your A to C na charging cable dito. Then, as well as we have your SIM ejector tool, we have your user guide, and we also have your jelly case. Kita mo, it's a transparent sa likod, and ang kanang gilid, it's well frosted. Now, sunan natin yung phone natin, no? So, this is how it looks like. Quite similar sa X8B. And kanang camera ring looks kind of like iPhone-ish. No, let's not deny it. So, likod niya is flat. Finish niya, Honor logo is dito. And kanang gilid is also flat. So, medyo edgy kunti. So, we have your camera. And we have your power button and of course your volume rocker sa sides. On top, we have your noise cancelling mic. On the other side, we have your SIM tray. And of course, sa ilalim, we have your loudspeaker and of course, yung Type-C na charging port. So, may na tayo mag-update. So, this is how it looks like. Medyo may pagka-dynamic island ng kanyang camera dito. So, one's the sensor, the other one's the camera sensor. Okay? So, okay, smooth naman. Wala kang maging problema naman dito. Definitely, dapat lang. So, let's just take a quick shot dito sa aking signage, no? May gadget sidekick. So, low light tayo right now. Okay. So, let's take a quick look sa nakuha natin picture. So, by far, so far, okay, clear naman nakuha natin picture. But you'll be seeing more of this one once na ginagawa natin ang ating full review nitong Honor X8C. So, don't forget to stay tuned for more dahil gagawin na natin full review natin pretty soon. And I'll see you there.